Good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss about how to develop the flowcharts for object-oriented programming. So, without wasting the time, let me open the tool Raptor. Right now, what we have to do here is when you want to develop the object oriented flowcharts, first you have to convert this mode into object oriented mode. Good. By default here it is object oriented is selected. If at all if it is not selected, ensure that always. So when you want to develop the object oriented flowcharts, ensure that you have to click on this mode and then you have to enable the object oriented. Then if you see here is there will be two tabs are enabled. One is the UML tab, the another is the main tab. So click on the UML tab and then click on this add new class icon. Add new class icon. Then here the class name you can change here. Let us say the class name is cuboid. The class name is cuboid, and then for this class itself you can add the properties, you can add the methods, you can add the constructors also. First let us add one by one. First let me going to add the new field. So what to add a new property, what you have to do is you have to right click on the cuboid class icon and then you have to click on the edit members, and then you have to click on this new field icon under members of the cuboid. Just click on it and then here, so I'm going to add the properties one by one. So first I have added length, then I'm going to add the breadth, I'm going to add one more height. Okay, so this is what is called breadth and this is what is called length. All right, so we have added three properties. If you see here there is a hyphen icon is there. That hyphen icon indicates it is these are all our private properties. So this cuboid class is consists of three private properties: length, breadth, height. Then I'm going to add one constructor for this. So click on the new constructor. So in this constructor itself I'm going to add the parameters int L, int B, int H. Right, so I have added the parameterized constructor which will take the three parameters. If you see here plus symbol, the plus indicates the public here. Now let me add the functions here. So now I'm going to add the new method. The new method is first I'm going to calculate here volume. Right, so the volume, so the return type of the volume, let us say integer. Now I have added one instance method, that is what volume. So and then I'm going to add one more method called lateral area. Lateral area method, again this lateral area method return type is also say integer. So lateral area is also added. Let me add one more method. Click on this new method, then make it as surface area. Then the return type of this one is also integer. Now overall if you see here, There is a class called cuboid. This cuboid class consists of the three properties, and it is having the one constructor, and it have the three instance methods. One is the volume, the second is lateral area, the third is surface area. Now what I am going to do is immediately I am jump to this cuboid class. First let me provide the definition for this cuboid constructor. So let me save this program as cuboid. Now this will refer the current object, this dot length equal to b. Now what is another property? Breadth is there, right? Now this dot breadth equal to b. Then last one, height property, insert assignment, edit, this dot height equal to h. So I have completed the definition part of the constructor. Now I am shifting to the what? Volume method. So this volume method, what it has to do, once it is successfully executed, it has to return the formula for the volume of the cuboid is what? LBH, this dot length into this dot breadth into this dot height. This will give the volume of the what? Cuboid. I have written the value. Now lateral area, the formula for the lateral area is what? 2h into L plus B, right? So again select the icon, insert, return, then right click on it, edit. So 2 into this dot height into this dot length plus this dot breadth. So this will give the what? The lateral area. Cannot call. So what happened here? Cannot call the function in return. Just a minute. Breadth is correct. This dot length. Yeah, here I need one more height. Height. Okay. Now, so the formula is 2h 2h into 2h, right? This dot height into this dot length plus this dot breadth. Breadth, what is happen? Right. So done. Now similarly we can also write the formula for the what? Surface area, insert, return. The formula is 2 into this dot length into this dot breadth, let us say. Now you have to shift to this main class. Here you have to create the what? Object for the cuboid. So let me create an object c1 equal to new cuboid 2 comma 3 comma 4, right? Then after you can call those methods, then c1 dot volume, done. Then you can call the next method also, edit c1 dot lateral area, done. Then you can also call the third one, edit c1 dot surface area, done. So now just click on this execute to completion. Then it starts with that, then it is going to create the object, then it will call the constructor to initialize the instance properties, then it will call one by one method. The output you can see on the master console. The output you can see on the what? Master